I mean, how long does it take you to do an adjustment? There was one client I had where we analyzed a variety of different things. This wasn't the main thing that did it, but we had one thing that we changed, and it was time with patients. We changed that around, and it opened up the door to 100+% growth profit wise. Yeah, as simple as that, right? Talk about efficiency. So, how long do you need to adjust with patients? How much time? I mean, how long does it take an adjustment? Like, how long? Here's another example. I remember I had a mentor ask me this. How long does it take to adjust your spouse or your parents or your partner or whatever that is? I mean, how long does it really take you to do that? And however long that is, that's what it should be for your patients. So if it takes you 1 minute to get an adjustment in, it should probably be taking 1 minute to adjust the patient.